Good morning. Today we are going to talk about why criminal trials should not be televised. Criminal trials should not be televised because although we are guaranteed the right to a speedy trial, there is nothing in the Constitution saying that trials must be made public. Any of the participants in a trial which is being broadcast are aware they are being watched. Being aware you're being watched very well could alter the behavior of those involved. Lawyers could be more concerned with celebrity, and so could judges. Televised trials can be turned into a free-for-all with people wanting to get attention. And it takes away from the purpose of the trial, which is to find the person guilty or innocent. Criminal trials are a very serious matter, and not something to be on the TV as entertainment for the masses. People can hear the outcomes of trials, and they think they can gain access to records of trials, and that should be enough. Broadcasting a trial on TV could endanger certain people who may prefer that their identities remain secret. For example, if a high-profile criminal was found not guilty, the jury members may fear for themselves if their identity is shown to the public. People have a basic right to privacy. As a general rule, cameras and video recording devices aren't allowed inside the courtrooms during court proceedings for the basic reason that people's rights still need to be respected even if they broke the law. People have a right to privacy. Just because you broke a rule does not take that away. When a criminal trial is televised, the prosecutor may be biased. There are trials that are open to the public, and if someone is truly interested in a case, they should go to the court and watch it. It is wrong to televise a trial without the consensus for those involved. People have a right to privacy. Media has a way of swaying public opinion, one way or another. And the only result would be masses of uninformed people voicing their opinions on matters about which they have no expertise. Lives of innocent people would be ruined if public opinion decided they were guilty even though a jury found them innocent due to lack of evidence. This should absolutely be prevented from happening. Criminal trials bring the public into a controlled social situation. The reason that jurors are not supposed to know the facts of a case is so that personal judgment will not affect their job as a juror to judge the facts. Televising a criminal trial cheapens the entire judicial system by making it a spectacle, and will open up the media to scrutinizing the defendant, the prosecutor, and the facts of the case. A trial is a controlled social situation to allow the fairness and justice, and if it becomes a TV show, there's no point of even doing it. I don't think criminal trials should be televised because everyone is presumed innocent initially, and it is up to the prosecutor to prove guilt. So these people are not criminals at the point of the trial, though a lot of people will assume so just because they are on a trial. Also, when people see them on TV, they will all think that they are guilty. Televising criminal trials make the system unjust by corrupting what should be objective review of facts. Judges, jurors, and attorneys end up playing for the camera when they should be concentrating on the case. Televising trials is not justified by keeping the process transparent. The downside of corrupting the process offsets the benefits of keeping the people informed of the process. If a witness is called to the stand to testify, It makes no problems for them, but if the trial is televised and the defendant is found not guilty, then the witness' life is under danger. As well as if the witness is recognized by the defendants, friends, or family, the life is still in danger. That goes for any witness or judge. That is why criminal trials should not be televised. Thank you for listening.